Hi everyone. In this video I am going to share with you definition of Python programming language. If you are looking this video, then definitely you have some question, just like why you want to learn Python programming language and what is the use of Python programming language. If you have these types of query, so then you are in the correct platform. Now you will get it all the answers. Let's start. It is very popular and easy to learn programming language. How easy to learn? Because if you want to edit simply two numbers, so then how to edit in Python? Then you take first two numbers. So how to write in Python? A equal to 7, B equal to 3. Two numbers you have taken. Now you add it. For now you take in the different variable for addition of these two numbers. Now you have addition is completed. Now you want to display this number. So that times you want to call print command. Print command for displaying this numbers. Which number? Addition of two numbers. So addition of two numbers, after addition it stored the value in S variable. So we'll take S. So is it easy? Yes, I hope so. So that is why it is easy to very popular, because nowadays all the softwares are developing only the Python programming language. They are coding only the Python programming language. Who has given this programming language? Guido van Rossum. In which year? 1991. It is case sensitive language. Case sensitive language, that means any language distinguishes between uppercase or lowercase letter. For example, small a generate different code and capital A generate different code. So if you have written here small a and here you want to write capital A plus B, so then it will come to the syntax error. Okay, it will come to the syntax error because both the letters cases is different. It is small letter and this is capital letter. So that is why Python is a case sensitive. Whatever variables you are using here, you can write it here. And where it is used? For software development, web development, scientific computing, big data and artificial intelligence. Whenever if you want to develop the software, web development, otherwise storing the big data and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, that means this intelligence, this machine will easy to the human being work. It's called artificial intelligence. For example, nowadays in the car, in the back side, camera has given. So this camera, whenever you are parking it, so that time this camera can tell you that if it is wall is there, if any stone is there, so then it's something gives senses. So then afterwards, in the driver can understand that stop the car here only, this part only. Okay. So I hope so you get it, the answers in the definition of Python programming language. It is very popular and easy to learn, and it is a case sensitive language where it is used for software development, web development. And one more important, it is interpreted language. In Python, we are using in the interpreter. Interpreted language, that means systems will check one by one line. Just like this is the one is equal to 7. It is correct. Then it will go to the next line. Just like here, if you have written s equal to capital A plus B and as a variables you have taken in the small a, so that times whenever you will press the enter key, so then here it will come to the syntax error because this A is not defined in before. Okay. So then afterwards you rectify it, that means you change it and then afterwards it will go. So it is checked by one line. Thank you very much for watching this video.